Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be doing a site visit. I'm in the Monroe area in St. Elizabeth, so come along with me. I'll be showing you around. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and if you're not yet a part of the family, please hit subscribe. So come along with me. I'll be doing some drone videos. I'll be doing walking videos showing you around the different lots. So like, share, comment. And if you're not yet a part of the family, please hit subscribe. So I'm looking at two lots here in Monroe. It's a new development. I'll be looking at two lots. So like I said, just let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you for watching, and let's go. So it's a windy day here. It's really windy. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear me, but the first lot I'll be looking at is lot 34. The lot has not been marked as yet, but I know based on the diagram where the lots are. So the first one I'll be looking at is lot 34, and also I'll be looking at lot 33. So I'm doing projects for those. So I'll be showing you just what's going on. So this is the first lot, lot 34. So this is the view that you'll be seeing from lot 33. So there we have the Pedro Bluff. You're able to look down into the Great Pond, Treasure Beach, and back that side is Black River. So really amazing view. The view is really nice. And up here, like, if you know, you know, Malvern, Monroe, this area, very cold. So the temperature, you don't have to worry about heat when you're up here. Very cold. It's actually, no, I'm actually cold. So nice temperature. So just like a walk around and show you what else is around here. The passage of Melissa messed up the road. So the road will have to be repaved. Will have to be redone and paved. I'm just gonna take it to the cul-de-sac. So we have a cul-de-sac on the right, and on the left there's another cul-de-sac. There's one straight ahead. Look on the view, guys. Trust me, the camera does not do it justice. So that's the great Peja Bluff right there. Nice sea view. And the windmills are right over there. You can only see the blade, like the top of the blades, but the windmills are right over there where I'm pointing. Alright family, stick around to see what designs I'll be coming up with for these two lots. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet a part of the family, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend. And I want to say a big thank you. Always appreciate you guys. So stick around for my next video. Like this one and see you next time. So peace and take care.